In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make this delicious, yummilicious, finger licky, oilless okra soup. Oh my goodness, you don't want to miss this recipe at all. Keep watching to see how I make this mede mede. Oh. First, I will be introducing to you guys the ingredients, okay? These are the meat I will be using. I've already washed the meat. It has already been cleaned and washed. These are my okra. I've already chopped the okra. It's well chopped. And these are the bell peppers, onions, ginger, and habanero pepper that I will be using to cook the soup. And these are the catfish. The catfish have already been cleaned. You can use any other fish of your choice. For this recipe, I will be using catfish. And this is the cow feet. The cow feet have been cooked already. It's well cooked. Okay, I did that off camera. And these are the spice. I will be using crayfish, salt, and Maggi seasoning. And this pepper right there is the pepper I will be using to boil the meat. Okay, I have one habanero pepper, onions, and ginger. And these are kidney. This kidney have already been washed. Okay, it have already been cooked. I mean, okay, in the pot right now, I'm gonna pour the blended habanero pepper, uh, onions, and ginger. I'm just gonna pour it inside the meat. Then I will be adding the seasoning. I will be adding 2 teaspoons of Maggi seasoning. Then I will be adding also 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I will cover the pot. Then I will allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, I will not be adding water. I'm just going to allow it to simmer with its own juice. Okay, I'll give it a stir. Then I will cover. I will allow it to cook for 15 minutes. While the meat was cooking, I went ahead and blend all my pepper together. Okay, now this is 15 minutes later. I'll give it a stir. As you can see, then we'll be adding the cow feet. Okay, the cow feet have already been cooked already. It's well cooked already. Then I will be adding the kidney also. I'm adding the kidney. Then I'll add the catfish. Okay, I'm adding the catfish. You can use any other fish of your choice. Okay, but for this recipe I will be using catfish. I'll add in my catfish. Then next I'll be adding in the blended pepper. Okay, I have 2 bell pepper, 1 big onions, ginger, and habanero pepper. Okay, I'll add in more water. Okay, I'll add in more water. Then I'll stir it a little bit. Stir a little bit. Then I will cover. I like to cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, I like to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, this is 20 minutes later, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can tell already that this food is going to be delicious. Okay, I'll just give it a quick stir. I'll stir it up a little bit. Then later I will be adding in my crayfish. I'm just going to add some crayfish to it. Then also I'm going to be adding in some chopped bell pepper and one habanero pepper, okay, because I want this soup to be colorful. Okay, I went ahead and slicing some bell pepper and one more habanero pepper because I want that taste, that flavor of that bell pepper and the habanero pepper. Now what I'm going to do, I'm adding in my okra. I'm adding in my okra. Guys, this soup was so yummy. This soup was so delicious. Okay, fresh okra is the best. Okay, if you want to have that good taste, use fresh okra. Is the best. It's more better than frozen okra. Now I'm just gonna stir it a little bit before I add the rest part of the okra. At this point, the whole kitchen is smelling so yummy, guys. The aroma from the kitchen is so good, guys. Oh, thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support. I really appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love you guys show me every day to come back and watch my video. You guys are amazing. May God bless every one of you. Okay, guys, let's continue. I will give it a quick stir, then I will allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then our soup is gonna be ready, guys. This soup was so good. I went ahead and add a teaspoon of salt for taste. Okay, adding my salt, then we are good to go. Light to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes again, then our soup is ready. This is 5 minutes later. Okay, guys, oh, this food is looking yummy and delicious. Our soup is ready, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys are hungry right now. Don't worry, guys, I'll post your plate. Okay, I'll post your plate, guys. I'll post your plate. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, let me go and enjoy my soup. Let me go and enjoy this delicious, yummy-licious, finger licky soup. Thank you so much. Guess what, guys? I ate this food with amala, and it was so good. Bye everyone. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.